What is this, upstate New York? I just can't get over these banks of snow. Like, I'm on the other side of Fairfax and I almost can't see the other side of the street because of the snow that is built up over here. Here's the lucky souls who seem to have gotten their cars out. And over here is the metro station. The metro, I think, is just running underground trains today. All the outdoor services shut down. I'm just going to keep this on as I walk up Fairfax here toward the IHOP. Again, just another giant bank of snow, about 5 to 6 feet tall. And that poor woman has a skirt on. Jesus Christ. Wow. Snowpocalypse. Just continuing to walk up Fairfax here. When I find something more, oh, here again, giant mound of snow. And you see the streets the way they are right now. Uh-oh. And there's a car doing donuts. That was bold. You see the way the streets are. It's just, this is the way it is, even in Washington, D.C. K Street, Pennsylvania Avenue were covered with like just this foot of mushed up snow, making it really difficult to navigate. Heading toward the IHOP. Man, this looks like something out of This is really weird. It feels like I'm one of the only people alive on the planet. That's not funny. Looks like they are serving at IHOP, though. Like Zipcar is out of luck.